Welcome back to Auto Luxury, your ultimate garage for elegance on wheels and future classics. Today, we're diving into a modern rebirth of a timeless icon, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL. Let's explore how this new generation Roadster pays homage to its legendary roots while redefining luxury and performance for the modern era. Let's hit the road. Exterior. The 2026 Mercedes 230 SL is more than just a car, it's a statement. Inspired by the original, Pagoda, SL of the 1960s, this next-gen model delivers a bold reinterpretation of classic proportions, blended with state-of-the-art German engineering and design. Starting with the exterior, the 2026-230 SL commands attention. Up front, you're greeted by a wide grille adorned with the iconic Mercedes star, flanked by sleek digital LED headlights that add a futuristic edge. The long hood and short overhangs give it that unmistakable SL silhouette, while the side profile boasts clean, sculpted lines that trace aerodynamic precision from front to rear. In those wheels, you've got standard 19-inch AMG-styled alloys with optional forged 20-inch diamond cut rims. Around back, the taillights wrap around the body with a slim, modern design, while a subtle integrated spoiler and dual exhaust finishers scream performance with class. It's a Roadster that turns every street into a runway. Interior. Slide into the interior, and you'll find a cabin that's part luxury lounge, part digital cockpit. Mercedes has loaded the 230 SL with the latest MBUX 3.0 system, featuring a 12.8-inch central OLED touchscreen, a fully digital driver cluster, and natural voice control. The seats. Hand-stitched Nappa leather with integrated heating, ventilation, and massage functions, standard. Aluminum accents and real wood or carbon fiber trim elevate the ambiance. And yes, it's a two-seater, but every inch is optimized for comfort. With the optional Burmester 3D surround sound system, you'll feel like you're driving inside a private concert hall. Now let's talk performance, and this is where the 2026-230 SL really shines. Performance. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, but don't be fooled. With integrated mild hybrid tech and an electric booster, it delivers a punchy 310 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, all mated to a slick 9-speed automatic transmission, 0 to 60. Just 5.2 seconds, fast enough to feel the thrill, yet smooth enough to enjoy every curve in comfort. Handling is tight, thanks to adaptive damping and a rear-wheel drive platform that prioritizes balance and agility. Want more control? Switch into Sport Plus mode, and the throttle, steering, and exhaust all come to life. And don't forget, it's still a Mercedes. That means top-tier driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, blind spot assist, and the latest autonomous driving aids for effortless long-distance cruising. So, what's the conclusion? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL is a masterclass in blending heritage with innovation. It honors the soul of the classic SL while injecting it with modern tech, comfort, and power. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising coastal highways, this is a luxury roadster built for those who appreciate timeless design and contemporary performance. It's not just a car, it's an experience, one that makes you fall in love with driving all over again. Thanks for riding with us today on Auto Luxury 295. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop of car culture and future legends. Until next time, drive classy, drive bold.